till end of Ramadan, leave the internet. Leave the internet by choice. There's internet which is majburi, and there's internet which is by choice. Internet which is majburi is probably the emails that we have to check, or if we have a web store that we have to maintain, or whatever work that we have to do on the internet, that's different. But internet by choice is all our social media, all the Twitters, Instagrams, Facebooks, TikToks and whatnot. This is all internet by choice. A lot of people, they justify that, look, there's so much happening in the world that if I don't stay in tune to that, I do not know what will happen. So I have to keep up to date about what is happening in Ukraine, what is happening in Pakistan politics, what is happening in the economical crisis that may be coming on us, and what is happening, so on, so forth. Yes, it is good to be aware, but everything has a priority. If, God forbid, if the doctor tomorrow tells you that you have cancer, would you still be worrying about Ukraine, or would you be going all heads up on treating your cancer? Simple question. You will not be worrying about Ukraine, you will be fully focused on treating your disease that you have found out. We are like that. This is a disease. We have to realize that the misuse of eyes is a disease. It's a disease that is affecting our heart, that can stop us from achieving the month, achieving the most, or anything for that matter, from the month which is there for our forgiveness. It is so vital that we work towards that if we, for a month and a half, or for that matter 2 months, if we do not go on internet of choice, it will not do us any harm. On your WhatsApp, stop the automatic media download, so that you know that you have the choice to unplay or download any picture or any video that comes to you. But protect your eyes. Guard your gaze. It has a direct effect on your heart. As soon as we see something, it just simply is like we have stabbed our heart, and jo khair uske andar thi wo, it drains out. And it shows on our faces, it shows everywhere. And the worst it does is that it acts as such a big demotivator factor. There are so many people who come and say that, I feel so demotivated. There's no good in me. There's no khair in me. There's nothing good I can do. Whatever I do, it just simply goes away. Why? Because it started from here, it ended over there. And then there's, you feel so dejected, so demotivated, you don't feel like doing anything. And shaitan simply, wins. So guard your eyes to whatever extent that you can. Go on a war footing in guarding your. That's how serious you need to become about it. That's how serious you need to be.